quick video here about what I'm gonna do today. So let's get straight into it. So yesterday I was feeling so discouraged about my merch account because it was a tear up day and everybody's tearing up and everybody's posting pictures of their tears in the group in my Facebook groups and stuff. And I'm like, man, I'm so close. Why didn't they just give it to me? So I just wanted to talk to you guys about, moments we will get discouraged and moments that we're like, damn, we'll see what somebody else is making and, get discouraged, but we just got to keep on going and being consistent. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through all of my listings and I'm going to turn all the prices to 1307 to all the ones that haven't sold and see what happens and try to get this tier up this month. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video and let you guys know how that goes. Um, I just want to give you guys motivation. Keep on going. Consistency is key. Keep on grinding. Keep on hustling. Stay down for the come up is coming. Sometimes it only takes one shirt to peak off, and we're on a whole nother level. So I'm just trying to keep you guys motivated and let you know what. Wow, my girlfriend just fucked up my video, guys. But just let you guys know that's what's going on.